Now for 63rd, fuck what you heard. Wicked till I die, smoking so much I fly. Looking for off like we were the cops. Now be for real, you ain't tryna draw. Boy, you ain't tryna kill. You off the pill, it got you acting tough. But that ain't how you is. I'm not for real, and I'm worth a mill. And still get on your heels. He live right there now. Where? Now I'm in the car, parked outside his crib. He got a pole, but that's just for show. I know he a hoe, he ain't gonna blow. Bitch, I was tryna score when I was on parole. He got a pole, but that's just for show. I know he a hoe, he ain't gonna blow. Bitch, I was tryna score when I was on parole. That boy a bitch, he shoot out the whip. Nah, he ain't really sliding. They always miss just running. They live, that's why they keep on dying. Just if they block, I'm taking 20 times, man, these bros hiding. I caught the play and now I'm throwing bullets. I'm thinking it's mad. I got his slow, can't be moving slow. He right by the store, he got a bro with the pellet code. Plus he with a hoe, he on his phone one time on your ass. Boy, you on your own, I get him gone. It happened so fast, all he heard was boom. I'm from the wick, I know I'm the shit. Bitch, get off my dick, I never miss. They think that I'm cheating, my gun got a glitch, I mean a switch. I can shoot a brick and they still say I hit. I